Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix U0073 control module communication B A off code. If you look at this whiteboard, you're going to see that there is multiple modules such as the ECM, BCM, TCM, SRS, and so on. So these are going to be the module on the vehicle. Now, in order for these modules to communicate with each other, it needs to send information through the CAN bus, which is also known as the communication wire. If you're not sure what the CAN bus is, well, this is going to be the CAN bus or communication wire on the vehicle. So basically, the CAN bus is going to be a bundle of wire that's going to be inside this insulator or protector. And again, this is going to be the communication wire. And when there's a break in the wire, or when you have poor connection at the module connector, you're going to get U0073 code. So again, if these modules cannot communicate with each other, you're going to get that code. And in order to fix this problem, it is going to take a lot of time to find the issue. Before you begin, look for additional codes. For example, let's just say you're getting U0073 code, and let's just say you're also getting code for a bad BCM. So at that point, what you want to do is you want to check the wire and connector at the BCM. So again, if you're getting U0073 code, and let's just say you're getting code for a bad BCM, so what you want to do is you want to locate the BCM, and you want to check the wire going to the connector. You want to make sure that the wires are not loose, and one way to check it is to gently pull on it. Do not pull on it too hard because that will cause an open circuit. If there is corrosion on the pin and connector, this will cause a high resistance in the wire. And again, it can trigger U0073 code. The next thing you want to do is you want to inspect the wire harness or communication wires. And you want to make sure that rodents or mice or rats did not chew on the wire. Because if these rodents chew on multiple wires, again, it is going to trigger U0073 codes. And most likely, you're going to get additional codes as well. The next thing you want to do is you want to check for water intrusion. If water is somewhat entering the vehicle caused by bad weather strip, or there's a leak somewhere, or the vehicle somewhat got flooded out because you live in an area where it floods, well, if that module is located at the kick panel area by the carpet area, and if that carpet gets extremely wet, well, that water is going to start traveling, and eventually it can end up at the module, and it can get all over the wire area and connector area, and it can cause it to rapidly corrode. So again, if you're getting U0073 code, I always check for a break in the wire, I always check for corrosion, I always check for loose connection, and so on. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.